Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Run Flutter Doctor and install Android SDK and Xcode so native files are editable. Next, add your Splash image files in organized asset folders and pick a background color that matches your brand. Now, open the Android and iOS host projects. This is where you change the default native Splash instead of a Flutter overlay. Once done, create or update a drawable resource for Android and prepare an iOS launch screen. Storyboard asset to reference. On Android, modify Android/app/src/main/res/drawable/launch background. XML to include a layer list with your image and background color, then update styles. XML to use the drawable as window background. On iOS, open Runner in Xcode, update launch screen. Storyboard by adding an image view tied to an assets. Xasset set and set constraints for all device sizes. Make sure to pick appropriate content mode and scale options. This ensures consistent display across devices. Finish by cleaning and rebuilding the app. Run Flutter Clean, then Flutter Run for each platform to verify the native Splash appears immediately on cold start. Test rotations, dark mode, and different pixel densities to confirm image scaling and background color behave as expected. If the splash doesn't show, make sure resource names match exactly, clear app data or uninstall the app, and inspect native logs for missing drawable or storyboard errors. If you still hit issues, revert and reapply changes step by step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.